Welcome back, adventurers. As Jane's Addiction would say, we're coming down the mountain. To be honest, everybody got their own opinion. My opinion is this downhill is treacherous. A big bike? Oh yeah. But fun? Oh yeah. So as we head down from Tomichi Creek over to Hancock, everything looks pretty straightforward. As we would learn, and I forgot to capture in the drone, there's a pretty good rock slide.
Right?
It's fun to get over. We'll get to that when we get to that.
This is kind of fun that we can see the whole next trail. Yeah. And it's not like Tomichi. Yeah, we're pretty sure. Ooh. Oh, yay.
Alright, so anybody else notice that the mountain is slightly sloped differently? This is that rock slide part I was talking about. After the fact, we realized that how jacked up this really was, but during the moment, we went and tackled it. Hashtag 1997 No Fear t-shirt.
My breather was more manual. My bike wanted to take a nap. Okay. No, this would have been shit. I can actually touch the ground. As long as I stay in your groove.
So, you know, friendly PSA, if you're going from Hancock to Tomichi, make sure you're good on momentum going up this side, because dang, that sand is sapping.
Shitty.
Oh,
Yeah, as shitty as the way is that we went, I think this way would have been worse. Mainly for that sandy uphill, man.
yeah.
Yeah. An old droppy droppy. Cue the Nico song. I swear, every time I go riding, it rains.
A couple years ago, if I was on the trail, I would have been freaking out.
Right?
Now I'm like, oh, thank God it got easy.
Now you're having fun. With quotation marks around it.
Yeah. Oh, this might be the intersection.
Yep. What does it look like? The same?
Yeah. I wonder if it's the same shit.
Right?
Come on, say we do it.
Alright.
Are you game?
We came this far.
I'm not doing this very well. If I would just be going, I think I would have been fine. Now let me get going and get out of your way.
Yeah, you're good.
Because I think if you get some momentum, I think you'll be alright. It's just coming around that corner. Just gonna get going.
shit.
Keep going, keep going. I literally just slid out.
Yeah, right there.
It doesn't look like nothing.
So pretty much the new rule of thumb is after 2 p.m., your friend falls on the ground because he's tired. You gotta take a picture, especially when it's an app with a view.
This way. Alright, thank you.
Word? Yeah.
There's cars coming. Flag them this way. You get up there.
I think they're gonna let us go all the way to the top. Hang on. It's nice. That was a little bit of work.
I'm making this harder than it needs to be.
It's got a fucking view though, look at that.
So you can see Tomichi.
Yep.
I'll stay to the left, just out of the water.
I got it.
Okay. That was some shit right through there. So I guess question, we're both obviously getting tired. Do we keep going up? Or do we just go back down to that fork?
You know the rule at this point.
Oh, you got this, man. We went up to Tomichi.
If there's no traffic, continue on forward.
We're fucking almost there, dude.
No matter how dog-ass and tired you may be.
There we go. Yes. Yeah, if you put the bike down 2 times in 100 meters. Yes. No. Me too. We would have been real sad if we didn't finish this, because yeah.
Oh my god! I love you! I love you!
1, 2, 3. All right, let me.
I think, yeah, Tin Cup is going to be another day.
Yep.
I can tell we're both tired.
Yeah, the fun meter's like right there.
Yeah.
Right now, it's the hamburger and beer meter. Well, what a great way to close out the ride. No shit.
So it's almost 4 p.m. at this point, and we finally reached the top of Hancock. It's raining its ass off. We're now headed back down. We come to realize that down is just as crappy as going up.
Oh, God. I don't know about you. Oh,
Bloody hell.
the best fucking spot to park. We're super close. Just around the corner.
Just 2 miles, right? Wow, looks like the pine beetles have hit this area hard.
Fuck yeah, they did. Assholes. Yeah, this way was way easier. Whoa!
Oh yeah, this problem down here. Had to get my thingy into second gear. Suicide shifter style.
Alright, this is like doable again. I like it.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
You opened your mouth.
This actually makes the first part of Tomichi feel easy.
Yeah. You know, rides with me, you may get lost, you may get frustrated because you got lost again. You may take the same road 5 times, but you're gonna level up your skill.
I will say my skill and confidence has improved today.
By a lot.
By a lot.
I think we nailed the camera placement on your helmet though.
Cool.
Basically for 2 rides, it's just gonna be us doing this.
Stupid shit.
Yeah. This curve coming up,
Yeah.
and then that's it.
I don't believe you.
I don't either.
Not be upset. It was like this one. That's the way back. You have a bud?
Yep. Oh. Close your mouth, Joe.
Yeah, hard with a gas.
Yeah, sucking in air. Okay.
I see a road. I see a lot of shit before the road. That's not a road.
Turns out this left turn would be the last little crappy part before we finally found a road.
All those cars mean that it's pretty better sailing.
At which point, I had to add more zip ties. Stay tuned as we have
Fucking
the San
made it.
Isabel Enduro to still edit, as well as the new Concho Sprint Enduro, and then the successful yet not successful Kingston Peak ride. Thanks so much for watching.
Yeah.